Accelerated frames and Fictitious force. Accelerated frame. An accelerated frame is defined as a frame of reference in which Newton's first law does not hold true. For example, freely falling elevator. Fictitious and Pseudo force. The force which does not really act on the particle but appears due to the acceleration of the frame is called a fictitious or Pseudo force. Why are they called fictitious? They are called fictitious because unlike the actual forces acting on a mechanical system which can be ascribed to the presence of other bodies in its environment, such as the gravitational, electromagnetic, or nuclear force, we cannot associate the Pseudo forces with any particular body in the environment of the body or particle on which they act. Expression of Pseudo force F equals to minus m a naught equals to m omega square r, where a naught acceleration of non-inertial frame with respect to inertial frame, r factor r radius of a circle directed outward from the center, omega angular velocity. Now let us see how Pseudo force arises in non-inertial frame. Consider two inertial frames S and S dash. Two frames actually. Consider two frames S and S dash. S dash is moving with an acceleration a naught relative to S. In frame S, that is for inertial frame, Fi equals to MAI, where Fi is the applied force on the P particle, Ai is the observed acceleration. In frame S, this, that is for non-inertial frame, the observer will find that an minus a naught acceleration is acting on the P particle. Thus, in frame S dash, the observed force on the particle is F naught equals to minus m a naught. Equation 1. Consider that initially both the frames S and S dash coincide each other at t equal to 0. 0 means 0 second. After time t, Ri equals to Rn plus half a naught t square. This is come from the figure, where Ri position vector of P in frame S, that is inertial frame, Rn position vector of P in frame S dash, that is non-inertial frame, and a naught acceleration of S dash with respect to S. Double differentiation with respect to t gives Ai minus a naught equal to an. Multiplying by m, we get MAI minus ma naught equals to MAN. Equation 1, from equation 1 we have F naught equals to minus ma naught. So MAI plus within bracket minus ma naught equals to MAN. So instead of MAI we can write Fi. Similarly, minus ma naught we can write F naught and equals to Fn. So Fi plus F naught equals to Fn, where Fi, real force acting on the particle, F naught is the Fictitious force. Thus, the observed in the accelerated frame will measure the total or resultant force, which is the sum of real and Fictitious forces on a particle. That is, total force equal to true or real force plus Fictitious force. So this is an important relation in case of non-inertial frame.